So, me and my couch a chill with me buck up on a post where Beenie Man post. So, as you guys know, no itching, straight into the video. As you guys know, Beenie Man made a bold statement a few days ago. Beenie Man say, yo, Alkaline say, in Done with Dirty Jamaica on live video in front of a big audience, in front of a big crowd. So, it pop out. Jamaican people get upset because you know say Jamaican people like to support the vendetta. They like to support Alkaline. Enough people are big Alkaline fan, which we all know. So people get upset, people get mad because Alkaline no do no shows in a Jamaica. You know really got Jamaica that often anymore. So people they put one and two together and say, yo, maybe a real thing Beenie they talk. Maybe Beenie have some real conversation with Alka and Alka said that to him. So when you hear upon his show now, Alkaline answer, but Alkaline answer on his Instagram. Big pussy Beenie. You know me? And then he say, tag him. And it's said to be his verified account on Instagram. Not 100% sure. We can never be 100% sure for things like that. And then right after that, Beenie goes a bomb and answer. No itchings. And I'm going to read exactly what Beenie Man said. Me glad how the artists hear me. At 2 years now the fans are supporting music and can't see him. I only hope him do some show now to spite me and please him fans. Since others of the thing reach. Me please my fans and for them pick me for decades now. Pay me dues and do shows and show my respect to music. Musicians, DJs, promoters, patrons, and sound system. Music is a service to the fans, not a hype thing. Many artists come and go and me still there. That's a real thing. Only take music for game. Instagram, hashtag Instagram badman thing. And on my style. He might take up Tony Mataran style for war on Instagram. Me just do a bag of show in December alone and I'm tired. Galley Bounce, Stone Live Anniversary, GT Taylor Extravaganza, Waterfront, Trug It, Trailer Load Wednesdays, me tired and retired. Tell the man say me dey on vacation, yeah man. Me I take a break so me can come work for me fans them. Tag him, Beenie say in the post. So, from what I'm seeing and what I can read in between the lines, through the lines and all these things, me feel like say, yo, a lie Beenie did tell. Me feel like Beenie did one drought Alka. So, him can actually perform in Jamaica because he feel like there is a audience for him in Jamaica. And he's not doing what the artists are supposed to do. Artists are supposed to make them fans happy. And as far as Beenie Man is concerned, Alkaline making fans them happy because he not perform at JA. And JA, we've said it plenty of times. Both me and other vloggers here on YouTube have said it plenty of times. Alkaline core audience, Alkaline core fan base is in Jamaica. So if you're not doing just service for your core audience, then your thing may mash down, it may pop down, and people will stop support you. Because if people are supporting you, they're gonna expect to see you face to face. They're gonna expect to see you on a show. They're gonna expect to see you in a place where, yo, mad people rate you, mad people support you. So, be the man tell lie upon the man and drag out the man. But it is what it is. If Alkaline want perform at Jamaica, you don't have to perform at Jamaica. Because I know in the entertainment business that if you're a performer, they don't pay you as much money in Jamaica as they would do, for example, Canada, US, England. They don't pay you as much money as they would. But that doesn't say you shouldn't go and do diligence to your fans, because your fans are your fans and you're supposed to make them happy, and you're supposed to make sure that, yo, you find them good regardless. And directly said in the Instagram screenshot, say, what make you so lie? So he's basically saying him and Beenie Man never hold no conversation about him calling him not performing in Jamaica, and he's not going in done with Dirty Jamaica, basically. So he's not performing, he's not going back there. He never hold a conversation with Beenie Man about any of that. Beenie Man just take you up on his head and run with it, because him want Alkaline somehow spite him and pleasing fans them, as he said in the Instagram post. But it is what it is, man. Beenie Man a big artist, big time legendary dancehall artist. So I think he should have known better, because things like this can give you lawsuits. Like, he can sue you for defamation of character. He can sue you for loads of cash, because if this hit mainstream media and takes off, and then he's not in demand anymore and nobody wants him to perform because, yo, Jamaica now co-sign him as, yo, a real legit dancehall artist, and people say, yo, we now come back to Jamaica, he now perform in Jamaica, so that means that we don't want to have nothing to do with him, and therefore we're not going to push his music, we're not going to be fans of him anymore. So basically, if that's the case and Alkaline really want to take it there, like take it into the justice system part of dancehall music, yeah, Beenie Man can get sued for defamation of character, because he did that knowingly. No, he knew it wasn't true, but still he said it in a big stage like that, where people are video recording him, and Alkaline never said that to him. Unless Beenie have like evidence for sure, say, yo, Alkaline said that, and or he said it in private to him, or me don't know that he's just a buggering around the rosy pocket full of trousers and all these things with the artists nowadays. So them need to find a understanding and camaraderie in dancehall music. Me feel like, say, yo, there should be a certain amount of respect in the music business for no say, yo, you won't cross these specific boundaries with artists. Me not care if you want to draw out an artist. Me not care if you want an artist to do something to you in spite, so them can please them fans, as to what Beenie say. Do your thing and let the other artists them do them thing, regardless of whether they want to perform or not. It's their, I feel, them artistry. They decide they are going to perform or do service to other people or show them artistry, basically. So with that being said, Beenie, you tell a lie upon the man, and as far as I can see, it's a lie, because me not see no video with Alkaline line they talk about him done with Dirty Jamaica. I haven't seen any hard-hitting facts, any hard-hitting proof that, yo, Alkaline really said that in a real life, and that's just what it is. I know, so no chat me how me always in a frack about my house frack. So when I'm chilling in my house, I'm always in it. So that's my thoughts and opinions on the story. Beenie top tell lie upon the artist, my youth. Keep doing thing. Let Alka keep doing thing. If you don't want to perform in Jamaica, you just don't want to perform in Jamaica, and that's what it is. And we have to live with it. And all the Vendetta fans them just have to know say, yo, me support Alka, but Me never gonna see him. I want a real stage show at Jamaica. But I'm out of here, man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Tell me if you think Beenie Man actually really tell lie, or Alka said this in private to Beenie Man and Beenie Man actually take it and put it in a public. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Deuce.